Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we're on our patio. I'm videoing on our patio and we want to feature this special plant. This is midnight cactus, epiphyllum, a small variety which it flowers white. So here it is. It is massive, absolutely beautiful. We planted it many years ago. We had got a cutting from our neighbor and it was planted in this pot initially, and now it's grown enormous. It's really beautiful. This flower, white, look. My husband had to put up this beam right across. I think we have 4 beams like this right across the ceiling to allow it to grow and to spread wherever it wants to spread. And when it flowers, usually in the night, this one sometimes it flowers in the daytime, but majority of the flowers, you can see the beauty on the outside of the screen. It's grown so much that it pushes through the screen, and on the outside it's growing outside. So this is white epiphyllum, midnight cactus, growing as it will, and we just adapt to it accordingly. Now we want to go on to our next plant with it, which is Pothos. Pothos. The original plant came from off of one of our palm trees outside, and out of it we've got all of this. This vine leads a long way, but somehow a part of it broke off, so we had to take it down and just wrap it around this mesh. I think it's a tomato training mesh, whatever it is, so the tomatoes could run along it. And here we have some more of the midnight cactus that we put in water, and it's got lots of roots. This is how we root our midnight cactus epiphyllum, in water. Now this beautiful succulent, I'm not sure what it's called, but we have quite a few pots in the garden outside. I brought this in a few days ago, and I'm waiting for someone to tell me the name of this. Here's some more pothos. We have many baskets, so we decided to put the pot inside of this basket and just hang it right up there. Let's go along and show you. Here's some more epips. That's what they call them for short. Here's another epiphyllum. This one is a mixed variety. It has large and small plants in this pot, and it flowered few this time. Right, there's a pothos, another pot over to my right, and it's growing. We trained it to grow all along here. This one is on a string, and here it is. There's 2 pots of it over this side. There you go. And this is the other one. Look at the leaves, how massive. Look how large these leaves are. I actually cut it off of the vine from outside that's running on the palm tree. Look how beautiful that is. We have quite a few pothos on our patio. Here's another one. Here's another one. And behind it you can notice some peacock feathers. We used to have lots of peacocks in our community. And when it's shedding time, they shed all of their leaves. Not their leaves, I'm sorry. They shed their feathers. And we pick them up. And that's why we have so many peacock feathers in this vase. Beautiful peacock feathers. We love them. They've since moved the peacocks from our community. We don't know where they've brought them to, but they're no longer here. So we cherish our peacock feathers. Here's another pot of pothos. Here we go. This one's on a cane, and it's wrapped around the cane. There it is, trailing. We've also added some Christmas lights all around the patio. There we go. And here's another smaller pot of pothos. And there's a vine. The vine still continues this way. And here's another pot in a hanging basket. Here we go. So those are our pothos and our epiphyllum growing on our patio. Let's go to what we call the mother-in-law tongue. I don't know why, but I can assume why they call it mother-in-law tongue. But we have some beautiful specimen. So we have this large pot. We've had it for years. And out of that, we got many from it. Mother-in-law tongue. We've got some more over here. Oh, I forgot 2 pots of pothos, which I'll show you in a moment. Here is a mother-in-law tongue. It's got another name, but I don't know it. There's another pot around here. Beautiful, beautiful specimen. They're easy to grow. Okay, here's a couple more pothos under here. Here we go, one in the middle. We put it on a chair. This is a chair, a stool, and just added a clay tray in each section and put the pot on it. And then this bottom one is just on the floor. There you go. There we go. Now this is Signonium podophyllum. Can't pronounce it very well, but it's called an arrowhead. It's a climbing vine. It climbs also. But this one we haven't had it too long, and in the pot also some pothos. There's a pothos underneath. And there is the arrowhead plant on top. And over here too we have arrowhead incorporated with the pothos. There we go. You see right up here, there's the arrowhead. It's also spreading. Okay, here's some more midnight cactus. Midnight cactus, a pip. Let's show you Hoya plants. We've had this Hoya plants for some time. We was given some cuttings from my husband's daughter Lydia, and here we now have quite a few variety. There you go. I don't know the name of the variety, but they are beautiful Hoyas. And here these two we bought. Here's another one, and it's in a hanging basket that we made. We just attach the wire into the pot, and it's hanging from this orchid box, just like this. Just like this. Beautiful Hoya. And we have a small orchid in this basket here. Small orchid hanging in another one of our baskets that we've turned into a hanging basket holder, and we've just put the pot inside it and build it up. There's an air plant in there, but it's not doing very well. I think it's died. So let's show you some more Hoya. Yes, Hoya in this, another one of our hanging pots. Some more Hoya here. There we go. Where are you? There we go. And there's one more. And this one here, there's a few more cuttings in them, but they died. There we go. There we go. Now let me show you our coffee. There's our coffee. I don't know what it is, but maybe it's not getting enough water. We have to get one of those measuring meter to measure soil to see whether or not it needs water or not. That's a coffee plant. Right over here we have our Christmas cactus. These two pots flowered a few days ago. This one flowered is a reddish pink, and this one is a beautiful shade of orange and yellow. Very nice, beautiful colors. And these have not flowered yet, but I can see buds are coming to flower. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus. These plants was given a big award in England from the Royal Horticultural Society. It was given a big award. There we go. Here's some more. This cup, it's written on the front, nice. There's one that says naughty. It was given to us as a gift. And you know whose cup was a nice one? Well, it cracked, so I decided to put it in this cup. Not doing very well, but I know it's gonna do better. So overall, let's show you these other two hanging baskets with some more Hoya. Some more Hoya. So here we are. This is our patio. Our patio of beautiful plants. As you can see how much we love plants. That they're everywhere on our patio. Everywhere. You know, everything that we do, God must be in it. God of in it. Everything we do. We ask you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, everyone.